As the owner-operator of a commercial kitchen or restaurant, it's important for you to decide on the right grease duct for your business. After all, you're not only protecting your investment, you're protecting those around you. Well, you might think,
I don't know anything about grease ducts. I'll leave that to my contractor.
It's common practice for contractors to recommend grease ducts that are built on site. However, a DuraVent prefabricated fire-rated grease duct has many advantages. Let's first start with cost. Your investment is far more than initial unit cost. A prefab duct, from DuraVent, costs much less over the life of the unit when you consider installation, maintenance, and durability. We even provide a limited lifetime warranty, which last time we checked, is much longer than the standard 1-year warranty of on-site built ducts. We're assuming you plan on being in business for longer than a year.
But what about looks? I want something modern.
We offer round, stainless steel, modern-looking prefab ducts so you don't have to subject your staff or patrons to exposed insulation or ugly welds.
How about code? How can a prefab duct always be built to my specific code?
Our highly qualified factory-trained personnel design and build each grease duct to code. On-site built ducts aren't always to code, which means failed inspections are possible, which could result in major delays. Let's assume that your on-site duct is to code. It could still leak over time and cause mold, nasty smells, or grease buildup outside the duct, which can attract rodents, or worse, combust at any time. And fires can happen in any restaurant, they don't discriminate. Grease duct fires are especially heinous. It's imperative that you choose a grease duct with minimal risk for leakage, or worse, destruction. DuraVent prefab ducts are so tough and durable, they will often survive fires and only require a quick cleaning to get you back in business faster. In the end, the best grease ducts limit risk, lower cost, and make your life easier. In short, the best grease ducts are the ones you forget all about. The DuraVent prefab duct is the perfect choice when you consider all options. Visit us online at solutions.net, spelled SLTNS, and duravent.com, if you have any questions or want more information on our products and services. Also, be sure to check out our YouTube channel for our other informational videos.